Hello everyone, NMB Box Break doing a box break on a 2011-12 Rookie Anthology. Show you the time and date. It is Monday, 7/27, May 2nd. I'll show you all 30 spots. Thanks for getting in, guys. Alright, we're going to randomize this list and the team list 3 times each. So here we go. There's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. So you got Shuggy 2 at 1 and Jacob Grandma 30. You see it's been randomized 3 times. Copy and paste. Sorry, that's just the team list. Let me get rid of that. And we will paste it. And there you go. Shuggy 2 at 1. Jacob Grandma at 30. Okay, and now we're going to do our teams. You got your Anaheim Ducks down to your Winnipeg Jets. And we're going to randomize this list 3 times as well. There's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. You got your LA Kings at 1. Down to your New Jersey Devils at 30, and you see it's been randomized 3 times. So we'll copy and paste. And there you go. You got your Los Angeles Kings at 1, down to your New Jersey Devils. And we'll go slow and show everyone their teams. All right. All right, 2011 Rookie Anthology, 10 packs, 5 cards per pack, and then I'll have a bonus pack. I've done a lot of these, always liked them, always had some good luck with them. So when I saw it out there, I figured, what the heck. All right, so sorry guys, I just have a little bug. Sorry, just had to take care of that. There's the number on the listing. There's your bonus pack. It feels like it's 1 card in there, so hopefully, feels like it's gonna hopefully be a autograph. And there's your 10 packs. All right, so it's a lot of packs. We'll try to get through this quickly. The hits I will put on the left, base cards on the right, and here we go. All right, there is your base card. All right, right out of the gate, here's our first hit. Oh, great hit here. Gabriel Landeskog, autograph patch. This has got to be a low number, yep. Out of 99. So 88 out of 99. This guy, this is a really good hit. I was just looking, this is one of the better ones in the box. Here, yep, this is, so Gabriel Landeskog, autographed, the Beckett high is $80 on that. The low end is 30. The high end's 80 on it. So nice hit. First pack. Nice hit. Gabriel Landeskog rookie card. Awesome hit there. Who got that one? Colorado. Nice hit for Joe V. That's a good hit. That's why I like this box. I mean, always had good luck with this. All right, second pack, another autograph. What is this? Braden McNair, Buffalo Sabres. Oh, McNall. I think that's hard to read there. Braden McNabb. It is Braden McNabb. Get that to come in a little clear for you. So this is the Crown Royal style. See the die cut. Sorry, I was just trying to get the name to come in clear on the back side. Sometimes it just doesn't want to go. Alright, well there's the front side of it. So nice autograph for Buffalo. Second pack, 2 autographs, not bad. I know it's hard after coming off that first one. Alright, here's a hit for the New York Islanders. David Ahlstrom, rookie royalty. God, I'm having such a hard time with this coming in on these. There we go, David Ahlstrom. Not get that to come in. There we go, rookie card. All right, here's another rookie, Pinnacle. Alan York. Columbus Blue Jackets. These are not serial numbered. Back side of it, but those are not serial numbered. Well, this feels like a heavy pack, so it could be a jersey card. Alright, here it is. Another jersey card with an autograph. Jonathan Bloom. Nashville Predators. This one's a little higher serial number out of 499. Nice hit though for the Nashville Predators. Not bad, 3 autographs. 2 of them with jerseys as well. Here's another rookie card, Pinnacle. Zach Kassian for Vancouver. This backside, I'm having a hard time getting that to come in. There's really nothing there on the backside on these Pinnacles. Alright, here's a nice draft year. Semyon Varlamov, 23rd overall, Washington Capitals. And Jonas Inroth, Buffalo Sabres, 46 overall. So because it's got 2 different teams, the way we do it, it's either top or bottom, or if it's going to be left to right. It's the way you read it. So this will go to the Buffalo Sabres. So you got Jonas Inroth and Semyon Varlamov. Nice looking card there. So it's going to go to the Buffalo Sabres. Neat looking card there. That's what I like about this rookie anthology. A lot of different cards, a lot of different styles. You get your Pinnacle, the rookie, and the Crown Royal. All right, here's a hit for the Chicago Blackhawks. Nice rookie, Andrew Shaw. One of my favorites. I know it's a little hard to see on this Pinnacle, but Andrew Shaw, rookie card. Hopefully Hawks can re-sign him and keep him. They're Andrew Shaw. Here's another rookie pinnacle from the Pittsburgh Penguins. Robert Bortuzzo. Oh, well, I got there. Let me see if I get that. There's Andrew Shaw, a little clearer. Sometimes it just goes right away, and sometimes it doesn't. All right, 1 pack left plus the bonus pack, which it's light, so it should be hopefully another autograph card. That would make it 4 autograph cards. All right, here's another Calder contender, Brad Malone, Colorado Avalanche. See it's serial numbered on the side, 213 on 999. Another hit for Colorado. All right, and here's our bonus pack. It's real thin. There's nothing protecting it other than the card, so I'm not gonna. Just gonna cut the top off here. I don't want to bend anything. Can't believe they don't put anything in here other than the card. Real flimsy. All right, here it is. So it's a Crown Royal. Thomas Kurelak, Columbus Blue Jackets. Not familiar with that. Let me see if I can get that backside. Come on. There you go. Alright, so there's the last one. A nice another autograph card. So that makes it 4 autograph cards with 1 jersey card. And the big hit was the Gabriel Landeskog. Nice hit here. Autograph patch, number to 99. So thanks guys for getting in the break. I appreciate it. As you see, I only got 1 box left up. The SP game used. I have more coming in. I'll be starting to put it up tomorrow. I have 3 hockeys and a basketball and a football. So please look for it. Again, you can buy my website. It's cheaper. eBay, please leave me positive feedback. And you can always follow me on Twitter. So thanks, guys.